How to run Forza Motorsport 7 smoothly on any low-end PC in 2025. Simple tweaks, maximum performance. I show you guys how to do it. Starting off the game, go to options and go to video. Resolution, click on the drop down and scroll up and choose your monitor's resolution. If your graphics card is weak, then you can select 1280 into 720 and full screen mode, turn it on. Dynamic render quality, set this to low and then go to advanced tab, click on OK. Dynamic render quality, click on the drop down and scroll up and set it to low and performance target set it to 60 FPS. Scroll down, select 60 FPS and select OK. Resolution scale, set this to 85. If your PC is too weak, then set it to 70. Anisotropic filtering, set this to off. Motion blur quality, set it to off. Shadow quality, set it to low. This option, click on the drop down and set it to low. Car livery quality, set this to low. Mirror quality, set it to low. Click on OK. Car model quality, set it to low. Partial effects quality, low. Reflection quality, low. MSAA quality, set it to off. Then scroll down. Lens flare quality, set it to off. Click on OK. Windshield reflection quality, set it to low. Click on OK. Track texture quality, set this to medium if you are comfortable. If your PC are weak, then select the low option. Reflection quality, set it to low. Car headlights in rain, set it to off. Now you can save it by pressing enter key. The changes will take effect as you can see. Again press the enter key to save it. Go back using escape key and I show you guys in game. As you can see the game runs fine. In my case I got 60 FPS constantly. And if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.